Just that.
Alright, so we finish here. So I'm gonna put this so you can look outside and count the cars.
What's up? Come here for you one here. Come.
My love, girl, won't you try my love?
Try my love, boy. Won't you try my love?
Good morning, vlog world. How y'all doing? I hope everybody's okay. Everybody cool. Everybody good. Everybody that. So yeah, we're gonna be changing the curtains and the sheets and every little thing, little bit from this. But first, let us do a vlog, right? I just want to film. I don't know how I'm going to feel that one, yeah. But just feel it Tuesday again. Tuesday, I'm going to feel this. And it looks already. Watch there. This better. But anyways, look here. Fast asleep. So, I'm going to go get the water ready for them to go to the hairdresser. Because today is hairdresser day. I'm gonna go get their hair done. Yeah, I'm gonna get them hair done. So, as you can see, I realize that the room is not like, it's just crowded because the room is like, I think the room is too small and I have too much stuff. Yeah, I have too much stuff, not too much clothes and too much this and too much that. So yeah, today is vlog day, guys. We're gonna be going to the hairdresser and dropping off products and all the goodies. Yeah, watch out, Jelani start use clean soap already. Soaps are available, creams are available, every little thing there. These lavish looks, guys. See, they should have our curl activator, so y'all need to check her out, period. So yeah, alright guys, so yes, I told y'all that we'll be vlogging the baby's hair day today. So I'm gonna do the intro already with the hairdresser now. So see Aisha, they right this. So Aisha, Tupsi, they doing up people. Aisha, mommy, look there now. Mommy, yo, Crystal, Aisha, she not far from me.
Mommy, can I please get a game on your phone?
You want a game on my phone?
Yeah.
So girl.
And a game.
Auntie Garisha, they right this up. Big bad hairdresser. Yeah, guys. So with the race goes through across the master mark upstairs if you don't want to check out Ariana and Aisha here. Just after the hair finish, I'll be showing y'all. Bumba my brownie, man. Yo. I'll be showing you guys their hairstyle so y'all can come check them out. So normally they normally do their hair without hair extensions. But today, alright, see, they're gonna get one better view. Alright, but today we're gonna be using hair extensions. See there? We're gonna use Afro Kinky on the ends because the hair soft. So as they do it, I was a pull out. So stay tuned for the vlog. Don't go nowhere. Sit down right there. So, alright, now we want to tell the people them say. What do you want to tell the people them say?
Guys, I had something.
Why?
Scary.
Tap up now. Tap fast.
About
Story.
a big bug.
What you want?
Alright guys, so Ariana basically wants to the channel of Rising Stars, but right now we don't have the time for that, so we'll be back. So the nice thing installed, guys. Watch the
Guys,
Nice clean install, people. See them? Right through. I don't know if you go already. These lavish looks. And she have the curl activator at $250 Jamaican dollar. So cheap and clean curl activator. Come get them same way. What you say? Alright, show them.
This is for my camera.
Yeah.
So, remember to be careful with it. My booming.
Alright, ask the Jelani them. Yeah. Let me call you, but I'm never call you. Where you go? Which one I food this, Mr. Train? Oh, Jelani get back. Alright guys, so soon come. Ari? Can you turn your head, okay?
Just that.
Alright. So finish here. So I'm put it so you can look outside and count the cars.
What's up? Come here for you one here. Come. Yes, right. Yes, already. Right. What is cat? What is cat? He said Tigarisha. He said cat. C-A-T cat. Yes, C-A-T cat.
Just stop it crying now, miss. Turn your hair, miss. Turn your hair now. Yanch though, in a no good mood.
Ariana, behave yourself. You hear?
Turn your hair, baby girl.
I'm in a no good mood right now. Right, this so. See? Turn your hair, show them.
You know, you there now?
That video, man. Come here, son of Ariana. Stop behave, so turn. Yeah, turn so now. Turn. Backwards. Spin around. See? Nice. Aisha, turn around. Let mommy see here. What you want? Phone. Oh, Nyako, police. So let me see fast. English. And it must stress me out. He said, Alright guys, so there you have it. That's basically the end of the video. So goods them do up them here. One of them over there so drop asleep. I wait for Jelani if he come. So we can go home. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and post notification bell. Boy, when life lick you down, you have to just make the best out of it. Well, a sunbath. I love my nighty, thanks, Gar. Anyways, look at my arm, people. See there? And my arm did like really black. And my arm did black. But sorry, car. I was so ashamed of showing under my arm. So I don't really have no video in the picture. But now it's getting better. So I can show my arm. Yummy. And I'm using my cream, the official drip. Get it today. Body cream 3,000. Face cream 2. Bumper spot $1,000. What you waiting on? Call me now. She big driver now, no?
You want me drive, bro?
Eh?
You want me drive?
She fire drive go? Don't a man Mandeville. Oh, idiot, come on, thank you.
Park it as well. I can do it. Why don't I win that? Come on now.